go. You're on video 900. This is the last video of the playlist. So you need to go to the next 100 videos on a different playlist. Let's go Alt and G for game mode. Let's explode some shit. Quick little tech demo. We are making a game engine from complete scratch. So if there's some problems, we're gonna work on that, but we're gonna work on it in the next 100 videos. So right now, if you want to get to the next 100 videos of fast code reviews, you want to go to Kanji Playlist 10, tinyurl.com/Kanji Playlist 10. And if you want to see my 1 hour long tech demos, that's gonna be on my Kanji Coder channel. If you want to see where I kind of archive these videos, oh, it's on my YouTube, and this takes you to the YouTube. It takes you to playlists on my YouTube. Source code for this video is here. Nothing has changed since the previous video because video 900 is a video telling you how to get to the next playlist. There are ways of getting a hold of me. I'm not famous yet, so go ahead, email me, add me on Discord. Down here, this is what we did previously. Then we have what we did in this video. No changes this delta because video 900 is reserved for the next playlist video. So if you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch, then you need to like, subscribe, and follow, my friend. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman MMO. Yes, that's a lot of words. There's more words. It's a Metroidvania. It's open world. There's over 1 million levels that are going to be going into the engine, or there's a capacity for that. Obviously, I'm not going to make my game designer slave away and make, like, you know, 1 million fucking levels. But we're going to have the capacity for that. Now, we're making this from complete scratch. We're writing the rendering engine. We're writing the servers. We're writing it all. We are writing it all from scratch, and we are documenting every single goddamn line of code. You see these numbers right here? These numbers correspond to which video I wrote those lines of code in. And I can't even scroll to the bottom of this file because we would be out of time before we get to the bottom of this file, right? Because these videos have a hard time limit of 2 minutes and 30 seconds because each of these videos must be under 50 megabytes because I am loading them into a Git repo like a demon so that you can git clone 100 technical documentation videos just by git clone playlist 1, 2, 3, etc. I am out of fucking time. So once again, you need to go to Kanji Playlist 10 to get the next 100 videos. Like, subscribe, follow.